I just got the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot vacuum with mop with the XL HEPA self-emptying base for $382.85 after tax and shipping from the Shark website. It also comes with a free Shark Ultra Cyclone Pro cordless handheld, which I'll open up in another video. It says it has 2 times more suction versus the iRobot J7 Plus, and it has clean edge detection, so it looks like it blows the dirt out from the edges and sucks it up. It detects and avoids objects. It has a matrix clean mode. It's supposed to clean in a grid and leave no spots. Here's the other side of the box. It says it has a self-cleaning brush roll and anti-hair wrap for pets. And it says you can forget about vacuuming for up to 60 days with the self-emptying base. Let's open it up. It's got a tab on the back. It says no spots missed on top. Open these flaps. Okay, on top of the cardboard, there's a manual. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot, then a warranty manual, some cardboard. There's 2 boxes inside, the robot and the self-emptying base. So let's slide out the robot. Okay, here's our robot. Slide out this circular piece here. Open that up. Shark Vac Mop. Looks like a base. Here's the back side. Has some rubber feet. So let's open up the robot. Tab at the bottom. Here's the Shark robot. It's in a bag in the box. So we'll just take that out. Okay. It's pretty large. Okay, there's the Shark robot out of the bag. Has some cellophane all around it. Has some information on the top. There is a look at the bottom. It's got big wheels and big power connectors. Just rip the cellophane off. Take that off all the way around. And take the cellophane off the top. Okay, and then there's one more. And there's that pad. And there is the Shark vacuum. On top, it lets us know we can press and hold the clean button for 5 to 7 seconds to activate spot mode. So it cleans in a 5x5 area in a vertical and horizontal pattern. You can also do it in wet mode. Then below it tells us to download the Shark app with this QR code. So let's peel this off. We have our clean edge on the side. We have our dock button and clean button. Let's open up the base. The next box is the self-emptying base. So it doesn't have a top. You just pull it out of there. Bag's taped. We'll just take it out of the bag. And this has cellophane all around it too. There's the cord on the back. So let's take the cellophane off. That'll just peel off. Wrapped around here. There's a piece on the top. There's some on the bottom. We'll peel off. That comes right off. So there's a look at the base. There's a look at the back of the base. Take the twisty tie off the cord. Take the cap off. And then the cord can wrap around the back here if the cord's too long. So you can just wrap it just like that. Then plug it into the wall. It's got a button on the side here. You pull this down and your filter's right there. Got the contacts to charge it. The suction area to remove the dirt. Has some information. We'll peel that off and press this button. This is the dustbin release button. So this dustbin will slide out just like that. It's got an orange tab here that you can press and it just opens and you can dump the bin and then close it and slide it back in. Snaps into place. Inside the box here we have more cardboard and a mopping pad. That is below the cardboard. So here's our mopping pad. slash dustbin. Mopping pad with 2-in-1 dustbin. Let's take the mopping pad out of the bag. It's got some cellophane on the front, so we'll take that off too. It says water only, vac mop cleaner, water first. It's got Velcro here for the pad on the bottom. It's got more Velcro, so that's just connected with Velcro. I'm going to Velcro that back. There's a piece on top you can open up and then put in the water and then the vacuum mop cleaner. Okay, it says pinch here and lift up. We can pinch here and then lift that up, and that opens that area up. There's a look inside. Let's close it up. There's your filter on the back, and then it should just slide into the vacuum when you want to wet mop. Okay, there's the Shark Vac Mop solution and the side brush. Let's pull the side brush out. Let's pull the Shark Mop solution out as well. Let's take a look at these. That's all that's in the box. So let's open up the side brush. Pull it out. So it's in this bag here. So we have 2 side brushes with a warning label on it. And then here's the Vac Mop solution. Let's open that up. So it's just a bottle of solution. So this is the landing mat. It has a tab right there that goes into the bottom here. And then it just sits down and snaps in place. Next we need to open the side brushes and then attach one of these side brushes to the vacuum. Should just press down. Snaps into place. Then we just need to put the vacuum on the base, making sure these 2 contacts connect to the base. As you can see, there's the evacuation hole on the back. Just to demonstrate removing this, you can pinch it and pull this piece right out. That's how it looks on the inside. And that's how you can swap out for your mop as well. So I'll just slide that back in. Clicks into place. You're also not supposed to have anything 3 feet to the left or the right of the vacuum. In front of the vacuum should be open so it can leave the base. Right now I have stuff on the side. I have it on the base. It's already got dog hair on it. Okay, now we just need to download the app, then plug it in. Here's the other side of the instructions with some more information about what's in the box and a help number. Okay, first I'm going to plug in the dock. So that's plugged in. So let's open up the camera app and scan the QR code, which links us to a website and brings us to the Shark Clean app. So we'll install it. It's going to take a minute. Open the app. Here is the Shark Cleaning app. There we are, United States at the top. Continue. Do you agree to terms and conditions? Sure. Okay, welcome. Let's create your new Shark account. So I have a Shark account, so I'll sign in. It says, oops, there's no robots tied to your account. Let's press get started. Let's get your robot connected to the app. Add your robot to be able to control it, even when you're away, unlock special features, and so much more. So pair my robot. For these next steps, please stay within 5 feet of your robot. During the pairing process, proximity is important. So we need to first plug in the dock, then power on the robot, and make sure the robot is charging. So let's do that. Hit the power button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the vacuum's on.
Hello, let's get cleaning.
Okay, I press down the wheels. I press down the wheels
Too close to a cliff.
on the bottom.
Reposition me.
So the battery indicator is going now. The lightning indicator on top is also on. So we're charging. We're supposed to charge for 6 hours. Okay, the Shark's plugged in. The robot's on. Next. Turn on discovery mode. Firmly press and hold both dock and clean buttons. Okay, so let's do that. So here's the dock and the clean buttons. So we're going to hold these to get into discovery mode.
I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi.
Okay. So we'll check the box and hit continue. Okay. Permissions are required to connect to the robot. Enable Bluetooth. All set. Enable nearby devices. So we'll click that. Allow. Enable location. We'll click that while using this app and click next. Finding your robot. Please keep this screen open and live until you're connected. Done. I found your robot. Continue. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Make sure the network has at least 2 bars. We will select a Wi-Fi network from the list, and we need to enter our Wi-Fi password. It's connecting to Wi-Fi. It says it might take a moment. Success. I am now fully connected. Next. Now let's give your shark robot a name. Created a name. Click Done. Big Ben. I love it. We're going to be good friends. Finish. We have updated the look and feel of your home app. So we could just close that. I'm ready to start building your map. So right now it's charging at 30%. During my first run, I need to explore your home and create a map of it. This will allow me to learn about your home and clean it efficiently. So we're going to wait until it's at 100% and then we will create the map. I'm ready to start building your map. Get started. Personalize map. No-go zones. Spot cleaning. Matrix clean. Matrix mop. First, let's prepare your home so I can explore. Next, open doors and remove obstacles. Next, ready to explore. Next, let's go. Start explore run. The Shark Vacuum is starting its explore run. So it's going to map the whole house. Once it's done, we'll be able to see the map and divide the map into rooms, and also mark the spots where we don't want the vacuum to go. Let's just watch the Shark Matrix Vacuum map out the house for a minute or two, and then I'll show you the map. So the shark's exploring. The robot does have a sensor, so the robot should not fall down the stairs. I was wondering how the shark vacuum would handle the stairs, and it does go to the edge of the stairs. However, it does not go over the stairs, which is important because it is a long way down, and I think it would break the vacuum if it did fall off the stairs. It looks like the Shark Matrix vacuum successfully did not fall down the stairs, and now it's going to explore the rest of the house and complete the map. So I'm going to give it some time and show you the map. After the robot is done mapping the house, you label the rooms. You could choose your power level, and if you want to vacuum a specific room, spot vacuum an area, or do the whole house. So now I'm going to clean the whole house. As you can see now, the vacuum is starting to clean the entire house. This is how it sounds when it's vacuuming. On the normal power level. There is a more powerful mode than this, but I'm starting it off on the normal power level. I will show it with the mop in another video. The Shark vacuum has returned to the dock. The dock has just extracted all the dirt. It's now done vacuuming. Let me now show you the other possible modes. On the Home tab, it cleans the whole home. On the Room tab, you can pick which rooms you want to clean. You can also spot clean and pick a spot in the house that you want cleaned. And you can matrix clean, which thoroughly cleans in a matrix. There's also different power levels, so I vacuumed on normal. You can also do Eco and Max. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.